Hey, what's up, everybody? Jesse here, out on the water again, finally. And man, I tell you, it's been over a month since I've been out fishing. As a lot of you may know, I actually got sick. I got COVID. It kicked my butt. I'm not going to lie. I'm about almost 3 weeks clear of it now. 2 weeks, I guess, would be more accurate. And I still don't have my energy back. It's going to take a while to recover from what my doctor says. I found that out, especially this past week after going back to work. And, I work outside. I do construction work, and I can do about a half a day and I'm completely whooped. So I'm getting there. Anyway, fishing the local river today, riding the tide, so it's good. In my kayak it won't be so much work, and just going to make the best of today, hang out with some friends, and hopefully catch something. So wish me luck. So far this morning, we've covered quite a bit of water trolling and stuff. I caught one trout casting. We definitely haven't found any pockets of them because it's very unusual to troll and not catch them. Because if they're around, typically that works. So we just haven't found them yet this morning. Here we go. That was a good hookup. They're sitting right on this grass line here. I just had 3 hits right here in a row. No, soft plastic. Oh, that's a good one. They're bunched up right along this grass. Got some quality here. Got some quality, folks. Yeah, just bumping it on the bottom. That's a good one. That's a red. No, that's a red. Nice red. That's a slot. Like, yeah, y'all. I'll take a red any day. Yeah, doing right. Thank you, bud. Nice little soft plastic 3/16 jig head. Gotta be quiet, not to spook them. There we go. Yeah, y'all. 24-inch, 24 and a half. Welcome back. Man, look at the size of the spot on that one. Thank you, brother. Yeah, we just gotta be sure not to spook them off of it. And try to get away from you, get some distance. Reed hooked up too. Well, folks, we searched for quite a while this morning and just had a hunch about this grass line here. Seems to be a nice little school of red sitting up in here. I'm not even using any scent or anything. Oh, I had another one right there. Yep, there we go. Oh, that's a decent one. There's definitely a school here, brother. Heck yeah, folks. I needed this. Oh, lost him right at the yak. There's more there. Dude, they're on fire right here. Oh man, what in the heck? I'm not getting a good hook set. That's 2 I've lost. Switch out to a stouter pole here. A little heavier setup. Man, as soon as it hit the water, he was on it. Oh, that's another good size red too. Alright, chill. Spook everything away. Heck yeah, y'all. Another nice slot red. Thank you. Now, this is awesome. Looked and looked this morning. Didn't find anything, and then all of a sudden it's just like boom, fire. Every cast. Every single cast. I mean, we are doubling up every cast, y'all. And they're all slot.
Yeah.
Open your mouth, buddy. Come on. Jesus. Just bring them in. Heck yeah, y'all. Another nice one. Catch and release today. I ain't keeping anything. They're moving. Spooked them. Yep. Hold on. Where y'all going? There's still a few stragglers there, but the big school moved. Hey, they're over here. They're just cruising along this shoreline in a tight little cluster. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Heck yeah, y'all. Reds, reds, reds. I'll take them. I love catching redfish. One of my favorite fish to catch. That's a nice one. Quick measure. Oh, hold still. He is 25. It's 25 incher. Thank you, brother. I lost that school. It was moving around in a really tight pack. It's an amazing catch. I was literally cast after cast after cast. Of course, you're going to spook a school when you're fishing like that and you start catching them. It's kind of back in search mode now. Not going to lie, the Panoptix definitely put us on those fish. Well, folks, it's that time. Actually, it's a little bit early. It's only about 2 o'clock, but like I said, I really don't have my full energy back, so I'm going to go ahead and call it. Had a great cast and blast session this morning on some redfish. Caught a few other throughout the day. Nothing really worth putting on camera other than that one trout. Slow day overall with a really good, like I said, short session with some rids this morning. So I'm happy. It's just great to be back out on the water. It was a beautiful day, and I'm gonna load up and go get some food and go home, enjoy some time with the family. Anyway, peace out. See you guys next time.